Hello, today we will walk through all you need to know about Albemarle County's Automated Tax Payment Kiosk so that you can feel more comfortable and confident using this option for your tax payments.
The kiosk is a secure, drive-through, in-person, contactless payment option for taxpayers of Albemarle County. It is located at the County Office Building at 401 McIntire Road, on the side of the building facing Preston Avenue. When making a payment, be sure to have your account number or payment stub ready so you can easily look up the bill you wish to pay. There is a time limit of 1 minute and 30 seconds on each screen. If you do not move on to the next screen within this time limit, your session will expire and it will ask you if you need more time. Selecting yes will restart this limit and keep you on the current screen. Here is a representation of the kiosk itself. As you can see, there is a touchscreen where most of the transaction will take place, and different tools that can be used for both the lookup and payment portions of the process. The Scan Barcode Here tool allows you to look up the bill you wish to pay without typing in any information. When you are prompted to scan your barcode, there is a short video on the screen demonstrating how to use this tool. There are also different slots for paying with cash, check, or credit card. The kiosk will provide cash change if needed, but does not provide coin change. There is also a receipt dispenser and a phone number listed to call with any questions or if you need assistance. This is the number for the kiosk manufacturer's system support. You can make two types of payments at the kiosk: personal property and real estate tax payments. These are listed as departments. Each one has 4 payment options: pay by cash, pay with a single check for multiple accounts, pay with multiple checks for multiple accounts, and pay by credit card. Next, we will walk through different lookup methods for both personal property and real estate tax payments. Welcome back! We will continue our walkthrough by discussing the different ways to look up and pay your bills. Personal property payments have 2 different lookup methods: lookup by account number and lookup by personal details. To look up by account number, you must enter your account number and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, or you can scan the bill with the Scan Barcode tool to the right of the touchscreen. To look up using personal details, enter your last name or business name and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Real estate payments have 3 different lookup methods: account number, personal details, and parcel number. To look up by account number, you only need to enter your account number. To look up with personal details, input your first and last names. Finally, you can look up by inputting the parcel number. Again, there are sample pictures shown on the screen that demonstrate where the information needed for the particular lookup method is found on the bill. Next, we will walk through the different methods of payment. When looking up by account number or parcel number, you will be immediately directed to the account information confirmation screen. However, when looking up with personal details, you will be directed to a screen that lists all of the different account numbers associated with your name. Select one and proceed to the confirmation screen. When making either a personal property or real estate payment, you will be directed to an account information confirmation screen, where it will ask you to type the amount you wish to pay. The system will have automatically inputted the total amount for the account payment. If you intend to pay the full amount, you can keep this. Otherwise, you can type in a specific number for a partial payment. This screen allows you to either proceed with the payment for the single bill or add additional accounts and pay multiple bills at once. Although you selected a specific department at the beginning of the process, you are able to add accounts from either department, paying multiple types of bills at once. As you can see, this screen continues to provide information on the accounts you have already listed so that you can keep track of the process as you progress. Again, you are able to pay either the full amount or make a partial payment on any additional accounts in this transaction. This is the screen presented when making a cash payment. It gives you specific information on the bills you have inserted, the overall amount inserted, and the amount left to pay. These are the screens presented when making a payment with a check. The automated kiosk will be giving instructions on specific details as you go along. The confirmation screen allows you to see the check you inserted and confirm that the amount processed is correct. When paying with multiple checks, this process will be repeated for the additional checks used.
Finally, these are the screens presented for paying with a credit card. There are reminders on the screen of the 2.5% convenience fee. It lists the amount selected to pay, the convenience fee amount, and the total amount to pay. It then directs you to use the card. There's a diagram on the credit card slot showing you which way to insert your card. Note that the video may not necessarily reflect the proper way to insert your card. If you try and the touchscreen does not prompt you to wait or remove your card, you may have inserted it incorrectly. When making any type of payment, you will be asked to enter your cell phone number prior to the final step in the transaction. This allows you to receive a confirmation text message that lists the account numbers or parcel numbers that payments were made for, as well as your receipt number. You can skip this portion if you wish. You will then be taken to a payment receipt page. It will ask you to list your email address and cell phone number, which, if you previously inputted, will already be listed. You can change these or leave them as not available. Typing in this information will allow you to receive your receipt by these methods, which provides information on the transaction, such as the payment method used and any remaining balance for the bills, if applicable. This screen also gives you the option to receive a printed receipt, which will dispense from the receipt tool on the kiosk. A confirmation screen for this receipt will also be shown. Lastly, the kiosk will show you a screen where you can rate your experience. Again, if you have any questions throughout the process, calling the number on the kiosk will direct you to the system support for the manufacturer. Thank you, and please use the kiosk whenever possible. It's easy.